Okay, listen. Welcome, you guys. Listen, I've been buying and making clothes for a very long time and wearing clothes for a very long time. And just when you thought you've seen it all, I got a phone call from a girlfriend of mine. She was distraught. Okay. She bought this old nasty piece of jumpsuit, baby. She said, "Oh, yes. It's a little off the shoulder, little ditty. Hold on. Let me show you. It's a little off the shoulder ditty, okay? It's a lightweight denim, okay? Very, very lightweight denim. But I've never seen, this is something I've never seen before. This is the front. So here's the tag. And this is the back. Okay. Real simple. So, if it not be for the tag, you wouldn't know which side is which. But it's that. But here's where the issue is. Okay, here's the front. Now, look at the legs. Do you see the issue? This is the front of it. This is the back of it. Now let's turn it to the side. I'm going to turn it to the side. This is the side view. See the sleeve? Are you kidding? They literally have sewn. Do you see that? They have literally sewn the pants sideways. There's a seam here. So waistline seam, that's elasticized. They have literally sewn the pants sideways. There's the sleeve. There's the sleeve. There's the pants. This whole thing is sideways. So, I never heard of such. I said, well, was it on the rack with the things that are not correct or the throwaways? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You see that? It's Ashley Stewart at full price. It was a mail order. Wait a minute, let's see. Where's that at? Ashley Stewart, full price. So what I have to do now, because she was so disgusted with it, she don't want to send it back, and her event is literally the day after tomorrow. So now what I have to do is actually detach the pants and then put them back. So I'm going to have to go in here and literally get rid of this whole seam here. That last seam and all of the serging stitching. One of my favorite tools, my handy dandy seam ripper. It's going to be tedious because I'm going to have to really take my time and get rid of these stitches. And then take the pants off and literally sew the pants back the correct way. Have never seen this. I mean, even in the age of when they first came up with the Gabriel Brothers stores, and Gabriel Brothers stores would actually have some garments that were defective, and like maybe the zippers would be broken and they would be marked down really, really far. So if you could sew, you make out like a fat rat. You know what I mean? But this right here, something I've never seen, have never seen before. I definitely wanted to share it with you all. This is horrendous. And I like Ashley Stewart. Shame on you, Ashley. Shame on you. Gotta get to work. I'll talk to you guys later. A mess.